A huge fan of 60% keyboards, so I had to check out this Zifriend. I'm not sure how to say it. I had to check this out because it's at a great price. Some of these keyboards are over $100, and this one's less than 50 bucks. So let's get into it. I wasn't sure what to expect, but there's a few things about this that I actually do like. Number one is the RGB is actually awesome. Right out of the box, I love how it does WASD, and there's a secondary gaming setup here too. Pre-lit ready. These are like the most common keys in gaming with PC on keyboard and mouse. I love that. The colors look really good. Really interesting is this has lighting on the bottom of the keyboard, which is cool. I don't see it too much, but I do have a dark pad here. But it also has feet, which I'm not into the feet, but I know people like feet, and that's cool. No judgment here, but it's there if you want it, and that's pretty cool. So I'm actually really impressed with this, and I think it sounds really good. Check it out. Check it out. If you're looking for a 60% keyboard, you don't want to break the bank, this is actually really nice.